Did you know that people are more honest in dim lights? Think about the toughest, most emotionally charged conversations you've ever had. Maybe you needed to hear a difficult truth, or maybe you desperately needed them to open up about something they were hiding. You try all the right words. You plead, you promise to understand, you ask for honesty, but all you get is silence, defensiveness, or carefully constructed answers that just skim the surface. It feels like you're talking to a brick wall, and it's heartbreaking. You wonder, why can't they just be honest with me? The surprising answer has nothing to do with your words, and everything to do with the environment. There's a powerful psychological phenomenon known as the dim light effect. It states that people are dramatically more likely to be emotionally honest, confess secrets, and share deep vulnerabilities when the lighting is soft, low, or warm. Why does this happen? Bright, direct light, especially the harsh white light you find in offices or modern kitchens, acts like a spotlight. It maximizes our self-awareness. When you feel like you are fully visible, fully exposed, you naturally raise your emotional guards. You feel observed and judged. Dim light does the opposite. It provides a sense of anonymity and privacy. It lowers the perceived threat of judgment. This phenomenon is called disinhibition. Our behavioral and emotional walls drop. The environment itself whispers, "It's safe here. No one is watching. You can tell me anything." That physical comfort translates directly into emotional vulnerability. Here's how powerful this is. Research shows that dim lighting is so effective at lowering our inhibitions that it can even make people slightly more prone to minor unethical behavior. In low light, participants were more likely to lie in a game or take more money than they were allowed, simply because the low light made them feel less accountable. If it can encourage small acts of dishonesty, imagine how easily it encourages emotional honesty. If you have a serious conversation pending, a confession, a heart-to-heart, or reconciliation, stop having it under the interrogation lamp. You need to create a candlelight confessional. Turn off the main lights, put on warm lamps, light a few candles, or sit by a dim window. Make the atmosphere cozy, soft, and inviting. Give them a physical space where their guard is allowed to come down. You don't just want their words, you want their truth. By changing the light, you change the psychology. You remove the spotlight of judgment and invite them into the shadow of trust. Let me know in the comments below if you try it for your next big talk. I'll see you in the next video.